This is an instructional for installing custom puddle lights into any Audi or VW from the last 2 decades. First, a very brief intro discussing the 3 types, incandescent LED and LED projector. The most important difference is the type of connector. All have 2 pins, though the older incandescent style has a wider connector, while the OEM LED and OEM LED projector has a narrow connector. Many aftermarket projectors will have provisions for either connector. The outer lens is the same for incandescent and LED, and the projector version's projector is very pronounced. The first 2 versions are not directional and may be installed on either side of the car. The projectors, however, if the design is not symmetrical, will be marked to indicate which side of the car it must be installed. To remove the lights, simply place a flat-headed screwdriver at the end of the light and gently pry the light out of its place, then gently pull some slack out of the harness so the connector can be easily reached. The light is not held with much pressure. Once within reach, press the lever on the end of the connector and then separate it from the light. Installation is the reverse. The end of the light, which must be pried, is mirrored on each side of the car. For the right side of the car, the rearward portion of the light must be pried. On the left side, the front must be pried. The lights must be installed in the same orientation as they were removed.